Hi, it's me. Yeah.
That's
Oh,
funny, right?
I'm recording. By the way, sorry. No, that I don't have intro. I did, but I took it out now because it's too much. That's not fair. Okay.
Right.
This person. Okay. Mm, she's quitting. Mm, mm.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So when are you gonna quit? What are you doing with your whole account? Like,
Right.
mm,
Right. I'm just making dinner right now, so I'm gonna jump. I just want
okay,
to
don't
say
look at the
hello.
message
And
because
just
I picked
see
a
if you
random
enjoyed
one
your
because I don't really care what message it
farm.
was. I like your
Right. We'll be back
plushie
tomorrow.
thing.
We'll
I
be back
just think
tomorrow.
that
Yeah, it's okay.
I
You know.
uh,
Mm-hmm. Right. We haven't had it all day. Well, let me go, Mom, because dinner's ready and I gotta get her food. All right. All right.
is your rhino gone? Oh wow.
You're welcome. So it was nice to say.
She's back. Mhm. Bye, y'all.